I'm Natraj. In this video, I'd like to propose a new helmet system to protect against COVID-19. So we already know around 2 million people already infected by the coronavirus, and it's spreading very wide, and almost every country is infected with the coronavirus. Now we need to protect ourselves against the coronavirus. How do we do this? Presently, we already have a mask system, so you need to wear the mask to protect against the coronavirus. But masks are the purpose sometimes no. So therefore, we need a much more better system to fight against coronavirus. So here a new mask system to protect against the. Let's propose a new system. Here fine. So this is 8. So we need to protect the complete it. Therefore, we can have a one gear. So assume that it's a plastic, one single molded piece. So here we can have a multi-layer cloth. The cloth covers the complete neck. It's around the neck. So therefore the air moves via here and it comes out this. So therefore front you don't need to breathe. So therefore air will come from this. Therefore the virus has to pass through this. So because this is a multi-layer layer, so the virus cannot pass through this and we can protect against the virus. This is a simple method. So now to make much more improved method, we can also provide one pipe over here. So therefore you can breathe via pipe in case necessary. So this pipe, we can have a filter over here. So this is a long filter. So therefore it filters all the viruses and also filter dust and other things. And also it's with the alcohol based liquid over here. Therefore any virus pass through this will be get killed. So that you need to use this pipe and you have to blow the air out and you can need it, we need to suck the air. So now this will improve this compared to the previous one. So let's improve much more. So instead of this we breathe, so we can have a pumping system. So via pumping system we can pump the air to the system. So we have to pump the air. So here, so now you already have pipe. So this pipe is connected to the pumping system. So let's say this is the pumping system. So you have a motor. So this is a pump system and there is a filter here. So let's have two filters here. One is a dust filter, so any dust or anything so should be get filtered in the first place. And this air moves to the second chamber. So which is so you have a sanitizer or alcohol based liquid with the filter. So when any virus is passing through this chamber, it will be stuck and it will be destroyed. And then this moves to the pump and from the pump it will be pumped back to the system. And also we have an electronic circuit to set the air continuously with a particular period. And then we have to improve further. We can have another piping system here to suck the air from the system and we extend the another pump here and then it will suck the air and then it will go to another filter here. So this filter again it will filter the air what we have breathed out, and if anything is there in that, so for example if you are not very sure, like no you may be infected, you feel like infected, in this case this system works well. So if what the air you breathe out, that will go to the system again, that's with the pumping system, it will be filtered again, and if any virus is stuck here and will be destroyed, and you leave the air, pure air to the outside. Therefore the virus will not spread, we can stop the virus spreading. So this is much more better than the regular mask. Whereas in case of regular mask, if you're talking about, so we breathe in this particular area itself. And also mask can have some leaks that give a chances to virus to get inside. Whereas in this system, so you can see that it's totally protected. So in order to improve this, you can have a one single mold, you can have a rubber sheet backside, so therefore we can give the flexibility. So we can have a rubber sheet over there, and then so we can connect with this multi-layer cloth or rubber again. So because it is a pumping system, we can seal this with the rubber, so therefore nothing will goes inside, nothing will comes out, everything will comes to the pumping system itself. So this gives a better breathing system. Therefore, we don't breathe any virus. So then we can stop the virus. We can extend this also. So now to extend this, for people who are already positive, so we want to provide the mask for them also. In that case, so we extend this mask to the below here, and then so the rubber or the cloth over here. Now the person can spit whatever you have. So you can cough, you can sneeze. All this will be collected in these portions. And this is the sanitizer, and it will absorb some capacity. The water you spit over there, it will be absorbed. And if there are any virus, because you use the alcohol-based sanitizer here, so therefore that will going to kill the virus. And this system works again. So therefore we are pumping the air, and then we are sucking the air, and we are pumping and we are sucking it. So the previous model works here, but only thing is with the extensions. And also you can improve it by adapting some electronics to communications, and also we can improve this as a ventilator. A lot of options are available. Hope this system solve the problem what you are facing today. And also you can provide a zip system in the back side, therefore easy for us to open this. And maybe some openings are required so that we can do it with a proper attachment. So therefore nothing, so no virus cannot get into the system. Hope you understand this concept. If you have any queries, please comment below. And what do you think about this video and whether this system works or not, please comment. So this comment is very important for us.